Right, here are some graphs. Loads of graphs there. Okay. In the table below, match each equation with the letter of the graph. Now, I'm not going to keep jumping back and forth. I'm just going to think about what these are. Right. So I'm just going to draw rough little axes. So y equals sin of x. So that's essentially just your sine graph. Now we know the sine graph is a curvy one like that, but you might get mixed up with your sine graph and your cos graph. So we need to know the starting value. So I'm using my calculator. I'm just going to write the sin of 0, which is 0. So I know it's going to start here, and it's going to be like my curve like that. Okay. So you have a look, see if there is any ones that curve. This looks like it, but again, remember our starting point was 0. So oh, this one here. So this one here is actually going to be sin of x, which is c. Okay, y equals x cubed plus 4x. Now, if you think about this, straight line graphs like that, a quadratic is a u, okay, a cubic is like that, and for everyone, if you want to do a quintic, it's not on there, it'd go down, up, and down again. Okay, so we want one that sort of looks like this. Okay, so let's just double check if we've got any of them that looks like that. We've got f. Let's check if we've got any others. Yeah, it's going to be f. So it's x cubed plus 4x. And we don't need to do any more thinking because there isn't anything else more than that. Right, y equals 2 to the power of x. Now, if you draw a graph, you have to think of, well, we know when x is 0, okay, which is our starting point. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, so it's going to start there. And you think for every single time that gets bigger, this gets so much bigger, so it's going to go up, it's actually going to shoot straight up. So there's a one that sort of like starts at 1 and then just shoots straight up. Starts at 1, shoots straight up, so this is 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of x is a. Right, y equals x divided by 4. Now you've got to think, as x gets bigger, my y value gets smaller and smaller, but it won't hit 0. So if I draw my graph, it's sort of, and it can't hit 0 on this axis. Actually, can't hit 0 on the other axis as well, because if x is 0, I've got 4 divided by 0, and we don't know what that is. So it should look something like that. Okay, it won't touch, even though I've drawn it touching, didn't mean to. So we've got one like this. This one, it could be it, but then again, you've got to think that one there, we can't have something divided by 0. Oh, h. So h works, and if you think it does actually work for your minus numbers as well. So this is y equals 4 over x, and that's h.